Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kiki Moi here. I am here with another look today. It's just a nude, quick run out look. I did use my SLAYCATION Vibes palette, eyeshadow palette. I just used 2 shades there. I am wearing my Main Chick highlight. I am wearing iLash X. I do have on our new lip liner shade Cocoa. Yeah. So y'all just stay tuned and watch the rest of this video. And I'm going to use my SLAYCATION Vibes eyeshadow. Just show y'all how to use this palette. I am gonna do like just a simple nude look. I'm just gonna go out for dinner right now, so just real simple, going against the clock as well, so it gotta be easy, quick, and ready. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to use these 3 items. I'm going to use my angle brush, my spoolie, and my NYX eye gel in espresso. So to carve out my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Concealer in the shade Deep. And then I'm also going to just use this like tapered flat brush. This is a crown brush. I'm just not sure the name of it. So to get a nice good canvas on my eyelids, I am going to go in with the P. Louise base in the shade 02. Y'all hear my niece in the background? I'm gonna go into the palette and use the darkest brown right there. I'm gonna take this nude color with this Wet n Wild fluffy brush. Now I'm gonna go in with my Essence eyeliner and just do a simple eyeliner. I'm gonna take this mauve color. This is how it looks on the brush. It is mauve. I'm going to blend out my Bobbi Brown Browsing Powder in the shade Deep 4. Next, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Jumbo pencil in black and just do it underneath my eyes. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I know that some footage was missing, but this is what I had. Again, thank you for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this makeup look. Drop in the comments. Let me know what other kind of looks you guys are looking for. And again, I'll see you guys next week on Teaching Tuesdays.